Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kumba julong karukom, hadian bakin naumi kmat sakayeng terbar tawan kejala, kibala sajet thamai, haswa bakin peteng yakam jongki, kom ki MLA, kin hapru ban Pynsmai shwa, bakin trei, hok yakam, kat kom kejing ang nuat jongki pajba, kibala pa yaki ban yasaj, sakayeng terbar tawan kejala. Dakababorenti yakani karukom penyakam, henne kasni kanyok trek na jemang, MLA kaseng National People's Party, ubarang susah Pynsmai, naka Williamnagar Constituency, Marcuise and Marak, Pynsmai kumu MLA Pura, bat yau ni unang mikmat batma syariah terbar tawan kejala. La Pynsmai, haka yeng office trekam jong lampang ke yeng terbar tawan kejala. Kaparan hapo kandai la Shillong.
I, Sri Marcuise and Marak, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I once again take this opportunity to thank the people of Williamnagar for reposing their faith in the candidature of Mr. Marcuise and Marak and giving him an opportunity to work for the people of Williamnagar, and also for having reposed their faith in the party and the government of the MDA, which is led by the NPP. So that is what the whole briefing was about. If there are any questions you want to ask, I'll take questions.
Conrad, this election, Williamnagar election, comes this month before another election in our party, which is very important for Meghalaya as a whole. Do you think the success in Williamnagar is a boost for the party in the upcoming by-elections?
No, every election is different, and every constituency has got its own character and own challenges. So therefore, we cannot take anything for granted. But yes, the fact that we have won with a comfortable margin shows that people in general, not just Williamnagar, but people in general, have reposed their faith in the government, and I think it's a reflection of the fact that people were looking for a change, and change came, and they want to continue it now. And so therefore, that will definitely have an impact in the Ampati elections. And we are all going into the Ampati elections with a positive mindset. We are all going into the elections with the mindset that people wanted a change, and changes come in. And now we want to take it to the next level and take it forward. So definitely, yes, we do expect a positive effect of the Williamnagar election to be there in the Ampati election. We have clearly mentioned that the party is in discussion mode right now, and we are already, there is a recommendation that has come to us by the block committee and the district committee, as well as the state committee, which is the recommendation has come to the state, to the central level, and we are looking at it, and I think within a day or two we'll be taking a call on it. But the recommendation for the candidature has already come from the block. How many candidates are there? Only one candidate has been recommended.
What's the name?
Mr. Clement G. Mohan. As I said, the information has come, the recommendation has been made by the district, block and state committee. So based on that, now as an election committee will decide.